I'm gonna make something I think is really cute. It's for a cookie exchange at my church. But I've got some just great value almond bark. Now you can just use chocolate chips or the unsweet chocolate bar milk. I'm gonna use this because I'm doing a large batch. And so I've already melted some in this bowl. So I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. I'm gonna do it like a 30 seconds to a minute at a time. I don't want to. If it is thicker than your other bars, I would just do 30 minutes on 30 seconds on those other ones. But this one I'll probably do a minute at a time because it is thicker. I don't want to burn the chocolate though. I also bought some of the Great Value chocolate chip cookies, and I've already made some, as you can tell, but put those aside for a moment. I've got these candy canes I bought at Walmart. They're just the small ones, as you can see here. But what I did was I just broke it in half, and so I've got two pieces there. That one's got three, but this is two pieces. Microwaves also, I'll check that, but one we're going to use for the handle, and the other one we're going to use also. We're not going to waste it. So I just broke them in the packages. That way I didn't get my fingers all sticky. Now I did see this on TikTok. I done mine a little different than hers. I will post her video below, but mine is a little bit different than hers. I got some of those campfire marshmallows, the huge ones. Also got some, what is this? Sand and sugar, just, little sprinkles. Also got some sprinkle mix, little stars and dots. And then I got some of the mini marshmallows also. Okay, that's going to take another minute for that huge bar. I made a mess with the sugar a few minutes ago. As you can see, 2 minutes done it. It's really good and melted here. But I just done it in a minute at a time. That way it didn't burn the chocolate. Alright, so you want to take I've got some wax paper here. You want to take your chocolate chip cookie, just dip it in there. I got a set of tongs here. I'm just going to kind of push it down in the chocolate and then lift it up and put it on my wax paper here. So we're going to have to do the rest of these. I'm going to set this, well, you can do it while the chocolate is hot here. It's going to make sure my marshmallow's kind of, round. I'm going to set it in the chocolate. So we're going to take our candy cane, and I'm going to open this package up. Now the handle part is a little bit longer on one end. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to dip it in my chocolate. And I'm going to move that chocolate out of the way. Just kind of poke it in the marshmallow. And you can't even tell where it was uneven. Can you see that? And then I'm going to take, while my chocolate is warm, I'm going to take and I'm going to drizzle some on top of the marshmallow. So we've got a little bit of the chocolate coming down the sides. I want it to kind of naturally fall on the sides. Okay, just like that. And while the chocolate is still warm, like I said, I've got chocolate all over me. I'm going to take 3 of the mini marshmallows and I'm going to put them in here like that. Then I'm going to take my extra candy cane that was the tail end of it, and I'm just going to poke it in there. This one actually had 2, so we'll use both. I'll just put one on this side. And then I've got my, do that last, but I got my sprinkles here with the stars and the dots. I'm just going to put a few out in my hand and just drizzle it where it falls into the chocolate. That's good. And then I've got my sanding sugar. It's really just sugar, but and I'm gonna put a little bit on top of it. Everything will be set and it will stay on in the chocolate as it hardens. Now I have some cookies that I already have dipped in chocolate and they have hardened, and they don't take long at all to harden, maybe 30 minutes. But I'm going to show you what to do to make one after everything is already hardened. So I've got my big campfire marshmallows here. I'm going to kind of push it to the sides together, make it round, put some chocolate on it. Now you can put the chocolate on the marshmallows or on the cookie, and you'll see later what I'm talking about. But here I'm going to put chocolate on the cookie and then add the marshmallow, because I decided I didn't like how that was. So now I've added the marshmallow, and we'll do the same thing as we done in the earlier one. Exactly the same. I've got the candy cane here. I'm going to add that and the canes. If there's any extra little pieces, I'm going to go ahead and add that. I'm not wasting any of the candy canes. Dipped it in the chocolate, and we'll add it to the side of the marshmallow as my handle for my cup. If you haven't figured out, we're making little hot chocolate cups. And I'm going to drizzle some chocolate on the top and just let it fall on the sides. That way it's falling naturally. Dry. I think I can pick it up and give you a close-up shot of it. Isn't that cute? I think it's adorable. And I hope you make this for cookie exchange if you have one at your church, or just for a little party favor. I think it is adorable. Until my next video, God bless you.